So we already have the first building named the Manansala, which is already 96% sold. Diba, Miss Carla, ilang years bago ma-sold yun, yung first building natin?
It got sold ng 96% in less than 2 years.
Imagine
So, ganun
that.
kabilis yung pag-embrace ng Kapampangans and other investors sa project natin here in Pampanga.
Because, bakit nga ba sila nag-invest dito or bumili with that very like fast pace ng pagbebenta? Bakit nila in-embrace? Because of, first, I believe it's the lifestyle nga. Diba? What it's story in Rockwell because of its brand.
Also, I think this is because this is the first high-end development here in the center of Pampanga. That's why we were embraced by the environment or by the people from here na na-excite sila to invest from us. That's why unexpectedly we got almost sold out in less than 2 years.
Yes.